Hello everyone. So in this lecture we will know about classification of computers. So your first one is by type, subdivided into analog computer, digital computer, hybrid computer. Second one is by size, subdivided into these. First one is microcomputers. Here PCs is consisted of. Here word length of 64 bits. Here in microcomputers, three basic physical equipments are system unit, input output, secondary storage. Then mini computer. Here server was used for the first time. Next, mainframe computer. First mainframe computer is Harvard Mark I or M1. Here database was firstly used. This mainframe computer used 8-bit code called EBCDIC, extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Another supercomputer used for weather forecasting. Speed is measured in flops, that is floating point operations per second. Knowing some facts about supercomputer, world's first supercomputer, that is CDC 6600, invented in 1964. World's first most successful supercomputer, Cray 1. India's first supercomputer, Param 8000. Param 8000. India's first digital computer, TIFRAC. India's fastest supercomputer, Param Pravega. Speed is 3.3 petaflops. Designed by CDAC, Center for Development of Advanced Computers. Next, world's fastest supercomputer is Fusaku in Japan. Speed is 442 petaflops. Some important points are: user often use terminal to access mainframe or supercomputer. Thank you.